What if you could travel to the outer edges of space? What would you find? The question of whether the universe is infinite isn't just science fiction. It's one of the most profound puzzles in all of physics. So today, we're diving deep into the cosmos to explore one of humanity's oldest and most mind-bending questions. Is the universe infinite? What we can see. The observable universe. The observable universe stretches roughly 46.5 billion light-years in every direction from Earth. That gives us a sphere about 93 billion light-years wide. But here's the twist. The universe is only about 13.8 billion years old. So how can we see 46 billion light-years away? It's because space itself is still expanding. Light from the farthest galaxies have been traveling for billions of years, but the space between us has stretched, pushing those galaxies even farther away. For us, there is an edge to which is observable from our point within that sphere, but that doesn't mean that it is finite. We just can't see beyond that point. What lies beyond the observable? As far as we know, there is no physical edge to the universe. If it is infinite, you could travel forever and never hit a wall. But we can't see past the observable limit, so we don't know for sure. Some scientists compare it to standing in a fog. Just because you can only see so far doesn't mean there's nothing beyond it. The shape of the universe. To understand whether the universe is infinite, we have to ask, what shape is it? There are three main possibilities. First, closed, like the surface of a sphere, finite, but with no edges. Second, open, like a saddle shape, infinite. Third, flat, infinite, unless it has a complex topology that loops back on itself. Current measurements suggest the universe is flat to within a 0.4% margin of error. That supports the idea of an infinite universe. But we've only measured a tiny part of it. It could still be finite in ways we can't detect. Multiverse and other theories. Some cosmological theories suggest our universe is just one bubble in an endless foam of universes, often referred to as the multiverse. If true, the total cosmos could be infinite, even if our universe isn't. Others suggest the universe wraps around itself, like a 4D torus. Travel far enough in one direction, and you might end up back where you started. These are fascinating ideas, but right now, they're theoretical. We don't have observational evidence yet, but the idea is fascinating. Philosophical implications. Whether the universe is infinite or not has deep philosophical implications. If it is truly infinite, then every possible configuration of matter could exist. Somewhere out there, there could be an alternate version of you, watching this video in a slightly different language. If it's finite, we might be able to understand the full structure of existence, the beginning, the shape, and maybe even the end. The great unknown. In the end, we are still left looking up and wondering, is the universe infinite, or is there really an edge where everything ceases to exist? As of now, with all the data we have available to us and the limitations of our technology, we can only conclude that we don't know. We might never know. But the search for the answer takes us deeper into the heart of space, time, and reality itself. And sometimes, it's not the answer that matters most. It's the journey to ask the question. If you enjoy this content and want to explore more of the universe's strangest mysteries, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss a journey into the unknown.